Hello, everyone, and welcome to this exciting session on generative AI and content creation. Whether you are a teacher, a student, or someone who loves creating content, this topic is going to change the way you think about learning and creativity. Let me start with a simple example. Have you ever felt stuck while preparing a lesson plan, designing a quiz, or brainstorming ideas for a project? If yes, you are not alone. Content creation can be time consuming and challenging. But what if I told you there is a way to make this process faster, easier, and even more creative? That's where generative AI comes in. Today, I want to talk about how AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and DeepSeek can help teachers and students. These tools work like personal assistants. They make work easier and faster. Teachers can use AI to create lesson plans, quizzes, and writing prompts. For example, if a teacher types, create a lesson plan on photosynthesis for class 8 students, AI will quickly give a well structured plan. This saves time and effort. AI also helps in making learning creative. Teachers can use it to create multimedia content like images, videos, and presentations. If a teacher want to prepare questions on a topic, AI can generate multiple choice questions, true false questions, short answer type questions, and descriptive questions. It can also create a full question paper with a mix of different types of questions. Students can also use AI to get content on any topic for their studies. They can find summarize and explanations easily. In short, AI tools make teaching and learning easier, faster, and more creative. Let us use them wisely and make the best use of technology. Let us briefly mention the key objectives of this tutorial that we will cover. By the end of this session, you will understand how AI can help in content creation, making lesson planning, quizzes, and study materials easier to develop. Learn how to write effective prompts to get the best results from AI tools. Gain hands on experience in drafting, refining, and personalizing AI generated content. Explore ethical considerations and best practices to ensure responsible and effective use of AI. With real examples and demonstrations, you will see how AI can become a powerful assistant in education. Let's dive in and unlock the potential of AI in content creation. Let us consider a scenario. You are a teacher and you need to create a lesson plan for a ninth grade English class on Shakespeare's Macbeth. So here we can type a prompt like draft a lesson plan for a ninth grade English class on Shakespeare's Macbeth. Include objectives, a brief summary of the play, discussion questions, and a creative writing activity. So here the prompt is draft a lesson plan for a ninth grade English class on Shakespeare's Macbeth. Include objectives, a brief summary of the play, discussion questions, and a creative writing activity. So, a lesson plan will be generated by ChatGPT. Here we can see the AI generated a structured lesson plan with clear objectives, a summary of Macbeth, thought provoking discussion questions, and a creative writing prompt for students to write a modern adaptation of a scene. Here we can see lesson plan Shakespeare's Macbeth, grade level 9, duration 1 to class periods, objectives. Students will understand the major themes and plot of Macbeth. Students will analyze key character and their motivations. Students will engage in critical discussion and apply literary analysis skills. Students will demonstrate comprehensive comprehension through a creative writing activity. Brief summary of Macbeth, discussion questions, creative writing activity, assessment. So in this way, you can experiment with some other examples. Let us consider another scenario. Suppose you need to create a quiz for a 7th grade science class on the water cycle. So here we can type the prompt like create a 10 question multiple choice quiz on the water cycle for 7th grade students. Include an answer key. So this is the output generated by Gemini in this case. So it is generating absolutely. Here is a 10 question multiple choice quiz on the water cycle for 7th grade students. Number 1, what is the primary source of energy that drives the water cycle? 4 options are displayed. Which process describes water changing from a liquid to a gas? 4 options are again given. What is the process where water vapor cools and changes back into liquid water, forming clouds? Rain, snow, sleet, and hail are all forms of, again, 4 options are given. So, in this way, 10 questions are generated. And since in the prompt we mentioned that we need the answer key also, so it is generating the answer for question number 1 is C, 2 is C, 3 is C, 4 is C, 5 is B, 6 is B, in this way. So in this way you can generate questions on a given topic for practice purposes also and for learning purposes also. If you are a teacher, you can design these type of questions for teaching learning activity. And if you are a student, you can explore a particular topic by giving some questions, by giving some instructions to the generative AI model, and you can generate any number of questions for your practice purposes. Suppose I will again type here, I will refine the prompt. Suppose need 10 fill in the blank questions with answer keys. So Gemini will understand the context that you need 10 fill in the blanks or fill up the blanks questions with answer keys on a topic that is already mentioned, water cycle, on water cycle. Let us see. So this is the output. All right. Here are 10 fill in the blank questions about a water cycle suitable for 7th grade students along with an answer key. So water cycle fill in the blank, 10 questions have been generated. The sun's energy causes water to change from liquid to a gas in a process called dash. When water vapor cools and turns back into liquid water, it is called blank dash. Rain, snow, and hail are all forms of dash. So in this way, 10 questions are generated, and these are the answer keys. So in this way, you can try with some other examples. Let us refine the prompt, generate 10 matching types of questions with answer keys. So generate 10 matching types of questions with answer keys. Okay, this is the response. Here are 10 matching type questions on the water cycle with an answer key. Instructions: match the term in column A with the correct definitions or descriptions in column B. Column A, 10 options are given: evaporation, condensation, precipitation. 4, infiltration. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In column B, some options are given: A, B, C, D, E, F, G up to J. So column A, column B. So the matching answer keys are given. In 1, it is related to F, 2 is B, 3 is related to E, 4 is H. That means 1 is related to E. E means 1 is F. So the first question was evaporation is related to F, answer key is F, the process where liquid water changes into water vapor. 2B, second option was in column A, condensation is related to 2B, the process where water vapor cools and forms liquid water droplets. So in this way, you can refine your prompt. Suppose again I will refine the prompt like generate 10 true false questions with answer keys. Certainly, this is the output. Here are 10 true false questions about the water cycle along with their answer keys. Water cycle true false questions. Evaporation is the process of water changing from a gas to a liquid. True false. Second question, third question, fourth, fifth, sixth, 10. And answer key. First question is false. And evaporation is liquid to gas. Okay. False includes snow, hail, sweat. So in this way, it will explain also why it is false. So in this way, you can generate quiz of different types for a given topic. If you are a teacher, you can use these features for your teaching purposes. If you are a student, you can generate, you can use this type of features of generative AI for your study, for your practice purposes also. Let us consider another example. Suppose you are a teacher and you want to draft a question paper on a certain topic. So we can use generative AI tools for this purpose. It will assist you to draft a question paper on a given topic. So let us consider, let us take the latest AI which is called DeepSeek in this example. Now, suppose I want a question paper on a topic database management system. Suppose the total marks of the question paper is 50. The question paper should have the following components with a mix of easy, moderate and tough types of questions. Suppose we need 10 multiple choice questions of 10 marks, 5 questions of 3 marks. So 8 questions will be given. Out of 8, 5 have to answer. 3 questions of 5 marks. So the students have to answer 3 out of 5 questions, and one question, one descriptive question of 10 marks. So 3 options will be given. So total of 50 marks will be there for the question paper, and we need a draft of a question paper. So I will type a prompt, generate a question paper on the topic. Suppose database management system, for example. So I will give the instruction as total marks is suppose 50. The question paper should have, the question paper should have the following components with a mix of easy, moderate and tough types of questions. I will press the shift key and I will press the enter key for a new line. Then I will type, I will give the instruction as I need 10 MCQs inside bracket all compulsory. So the structure will be 10 multiplied by 1 equal to 10 marks. Again, I will press the shift key and enter key for next line. Suppose 5 questions of 3 marks, answer 5 out of 8 questions, and the marking pattern will be 5 into 3 equal to 15 marks. I will press again the shift key and enter key for the next line. Then I will type 3 questions of 5 marks. Then I will give the instruction as answer 3 out of 5 questions. Then the marking pattern will be 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 15 marks. Again, I will press the shift key and enter key for the next line. One question of 10 marks. There will be 3 options. Answer 1 out of, suppose, 2, for example, 1 out of 2 questions. And the marking pattern will be 1 multiplied by 10 equal to 10 marks. So 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 15, 14, 40, then plus 10, 50. So the total marks of the question paper will be 50. The topic I have given, for example, database management system. You can try with some other example also. So the structure of the question paper is 10 MCQs, 5 questions of 3 marks, 3 questions of 5 marks, 1 question of 10 marks. Some options are given. So this is a simple prompt. So let us see how DeepSeek responds. So it is generating a draft of the question paper as per the prompt I have given. So here we can review the draft of the question paper. Title is Database Management System question paper. Total marks 50, time 2 hours. It is assuming that since the total mark is 50, the time will be 2 hours. Section A, multiple choice question, instruction, answer all questions. Each question carries 1 mark. 10 into 1 equal to 10 marks. So 1, the question, this one is the question. 4 options are given, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Section B, short answer questions, instructions. Answer any 5 out of 8 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. 5 into 3 equal to 15 marks. Then section C, long answer questions, instructions. Answer any 3 out of 5 questions. Each question carries 5 marks. 3 into 5 equal to 15 marks. 5 questions are generated. Section D, essay type questions, instructions. Answer any 1 out of 2 questions. Each question carries 10 marks. 1 into 10 equal to 10 marks. So this is the end of the paper. So in this way, you can generate a draft of a question paper on a given topic. So you can simply copy this one and you can paste in a Word document or other uh, tool, and you can change as per your requirement. So this is just a draft. It will assist you to prepare a question paper in seconds. Suppose you need another draft, you can regenerate the output. DeepSeek will analyze, it will think, and then it will regenerate a different version of the question paper with different questions. So in this way, you can generate a large number of any number of question papers on a given topic. So if you want to generate a question paper, for example, 20 marks, 30 marks on a given chapter or a unit, you can give that unit as attachment here, and you can give the prompt to work with that attachment. It will generate. So in this way, a teacher can prepare a question paper on a given topic for class test or some other activity. If you are a student, you can prepare a question paper on a given topic for your practice purposes also. So in this way, generative AI tools can assist both teachers and students in preparation of a given topic. So you can use this. If you are a student, you can use this feature for the preparation of your examination also. Suppose we want to convert the question paper marking pattern to a 100 marks question paper. So this was generated for a 50 marks question paper as per the prompt I have already written. So let us just experiment how DeepSeek will respond for a 100 marks question paper. So I will simply type need a 100 marks question paper, adjust the marking pattern accordingly. Just this is just an experiment. Let us see how DeepSeek responds. Yes, it is responding. So accordingly, the section are adjusted for a 100 marks question paper. It is generating a 20 multiple choice questions. It will take some time actually. But our objective is that how we can generate a draft of a question paper on a certain topic for the preparation of study for an examination. If you are a student, you can use these features of generative AI models. If you are a teacher, you can prepare this type of question papers for giving practices to the students so that they can prepare for examination for their study. So let us quickly review how it is generated. Database management system, DBMS question paper, total marks 100, time 3 hours. So section A, 20 marks are given and 20 multiple choice questions are generated. Short type questions, answer any 10 out of 15 questions. Each question carries 3 marks, 10 into 3, 30 marks. Then long answer questions, answer any 5 out of 8 questions. Each question carries 6 marks, 5 into 6, 30 marks. So here you can notice that we have not provided any instruction or prompt that how much question should be given for a 100 marks question. It is understood by the DeepSeek model, and accordingly it is suggesting us essay type questions, answer any 2 out of 4 questions. In the previous case, 50 marks for the 50 marks question paper, since the instruction was 1 out of 2 questions. So here, since it is 100 marks question paper, so it is suggesting that answer any 2 out of 4 questions. So In this way, this is the end of the paper. So in this way, you can try with some other examples. While AI is powerful, it's not perfect. That's why it's important to review and edit the content it generates. Always ensure it's accurate, relevant, and appropriate for your audience. And of course, never rely solely on AI for critical or sensitive content. Use it as a tool to assist you, not replace you. We also need to be mindful of ethical considerations. Data privacy, avoid sharing sensitive personal information with AI tools. Transparency, be open about using AI, especially in formal or professional settings. Limitations, understand that AI has its limitations and may not always provide perfect results. By following these best practices, we can use AI responsibly and effectively. I believe you now have a clear understanding through the examples I have explained. Now, I encourage you to try different examples that best suit your needs. Let's quickly review what we have learned in this tutorial. AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and DeepSeek plays a significant role in enhancing content creation by streamlining, drafting, and improving efficiency. That means AI is transforming the way we create educational content. With tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and DeepSeek, we can quickly draft lesson plans, quizzes, and study materials, reducing the time and effort required for content creation. Instead of starting from the scratch, AI provides a strong foundation, allowing educators and learners to focus on refining and personalizing their work. Crafting specific and clear prompts is essential for generating effective and accurate AI generated content. That means AI is only as good as the instructions we give it. A vague prompt may lead to generate responses, but a well structured and detailed prompt ensures precise and relevant results. For example, instead of asking, create a quiz on history, a more effective prompt would be generate a 10-question multiple choice quiz on World War II for high school students. The clearer the input, the better the output. Practical examples include various types of educational content such as lesson plans, quizzes, creative writing prompts, and research paper outlines. So, AI can assist in a variety of educational tasks. Need a structured lesson plan? AI can generate it in seconds. Looking for engaging quizzes for writing prompts? AI can help with that too. Even research paper outlines can be created using AI, providing students and educators with a strong starting point for academic work. These practical applications make learning more interactive and efficient. Emphasizing ethical considerations and best practices is essential for ensuring the responsible and effective use of AI in content creation. While AI is a powerful tool, it must be used responsibly. Always review and verify AI generated content for accuracy, encourage critical thinking among students, and be mindful of data privacy when using AI tools. AI should support creativity and learning, not replace human effort. By following best practices, we can make the most of AI while maintaining quality and ethical standards in education. As we conclude, I want to leave you with this thought. Generative AI is not a replacement for human creativity. It's a powerful tool to enhance it. It helps us work smarter, think bigger, and make learning more engaging for everyone. So, let us move forward together. Let us use AI responsibly, embrace its potential, and shape the future of education in meaningful ways. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this session has inspired you to explore the limitless possibilities of generative AI.